Club dates. The word club date is a euphemism for a country club type of a job. But as I say, it was a euphemism. What it really meant was weddings and bar mitzvahs. Sometimes Landsmannschaft. I did a couple of Landsmannschaft when I was young. Banquets, that kind of thing. And there were bands that were playing at these things. I did my first bar mitzvah. I was nearly graduating from high school. I got a job playing, synagogue in Williamsburg with a band which I put together of some of my friends. And it was the brother of one of the guys in my high school class. So he played the job. We didn't do a great job, but we got $50 for four musicians. So, all right. And I began to get calls from other musicians, and they would say, listen, I got this. You want to come and do it? Sure, absolutely. Take my horn. I didn't drive or anything like that. I used to take the thing. I used to go on the bus.
So these were Jewish gigs? And what?
Mostly.
So what kind
Although
of
I
music
played
were you
some
playing?
non-Jewish ones too. What did we play? We played whatever American songs were popular at the time. Some of the tunes even from My Fair Lady or shows a little bit earlier than that. There were popular songs like guys like Tony Bennett or Sinatra was singing. Songs like Over the Rainbow. Well, Tony Bennett was singing Because of You, There's a Song in My Heart. Okay, fine. That was one of them. And other ones like that were There Goes My Heart, There Goes the One I Love. Ba, 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 ba. Those were the ones that were popular at the time. And as I said, could have danced all night, The Street Where You Live, things like that. Those were the popular show tunes of the time. And we played waltzes.